Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. In today's video, you'll be doing a jungle raid today. We're going to be doing a crouch here, but I need bugs. I need arrows. I will. What's up, baby boy? Oh, rush. I'll kill you. What's this? Snowballs? What? Aray.
300 miles away from my base.
What? Ang layo!
Yeah, that's not even that far, bro.
Yeah, do you know how to make PvP one?
Oh. A little bit.
Weh? Ikaw na lang yung may PvP natin. Ikaw na lang yung may PvP. Oh my, there's new one. How are you dying right now?
I'm practicing on my single player.
Ikaw na niya. Oh, ba't ang dami? Yo, chill, buddy. Chill. Nah, bro. Why would we do that, bro? It's free XP.
Oh, look, I got a chance.
Where?
My boots last.
Yeah, I have boots. Oh, I got a trial key. Oh, wait, may bad omen rin ako. Oh, I got a guster, parang. Ito, dito, right-click mo. Let's go. Okay, you got arrows?
Honey, ulitin ko. I have another one.
Oh, sige, sige. Oh,
Ayun na eh.
wala ka na? Baka ubos na. Go from the bottom, buddy. Oh my days, guys. You guys did not see that. I definitely did not miss. I did not miss.
Nasaan ang off yung PvP natin?
Oh, wait.
Baka matamahan ako.
Tapos namatay ka. Oh! Poisonal splashing. I think this... Sure ka? Di pa tulutin. Oh, barrel.
Yeah, look, bro. I can see this, bro. May chance ka?
Wala. Let's go.
I think it isn't guilty yet.
Oh, poison! Poisoned arrows. Yo, what bow is this? Do you want a power 1 bow? Ito. Tapos, slowness.
Oh,
Explore natin, tapos, ayun naman siya yung ominous bottle.
bakit?
Para ano, pwede tayo makakuha ng mace. You can get mace, diba?
Sige. Hindi
Ge
na kami tubig.
Gessy. Wait. I got it off gear.
Oh, diba you can break the pots and you might get something?
Yeah. Uy! I think this looted na to. Yeah, I saw a chest. Oh, tsaka may stone pickaxe, oh. There's stone pickaxe here.
Bro, this is not looted.
Bro, this is looted, trust. Ay, oo, hindi pa. Pero may ano na siya eh. Yuan. May stone pickaxe at siya. Ay, oo, hindi pa. Yo, I got cake right now. Yo.
Sobrang kabayan, bro.
Yeah, I didn't get it. No.
What's this land?
What's what? That's where you get the mace.
Do you need a key?
Yeah, we need a key. We need an ominous key. Oh, wait. Oh my god, what was that, buddy? I caught that on video.
Oh, what?
What was that water bucket clutch, bro?
Because I clicked on the stairs by accident.
I saw that. I'll show you guys. That's how you water bucket clutch. Uy, may ball armor too. Uy! Wind charge.
I'm using that, bro. Like right now.
Go. Okay. I got like both armor trim.
Nice. This is why we gotta explore the caves more, buddy.
Minsan
Oh,
dali.
you have a mate. Come on.
I'm not good. I'm not. Di mo na magaling sa may PvP. Oh wait, I think we've been here before. Ay, hindi pa. Yo. Oh wait, yes. I think yes we did, bro. Ay, hindi. Oh, okay, okay. A silverfish.
Oh my days.
Oh my days. Yo. Why there's silverfish? Ang pangit nito, ba't may silverfish? Oh. Uy! Dalawa. I got two. Sorry.
Go muna.
Oh.
Green.
I got. Ito sa'yo na ito. Ilan nakuha mo yun?
Oh, Minotauro.
Uy, nice. Wait lang yun. Check.
Meron pa akong key.
Meron pa iba. Try ko lang to dito sa ano. I need to try this. Sana gumana to. Magkaiba yata yung trial. Ay, yo. Sana gumana.
Kamusta?
Nangyari kami trial chamber.
Trial chamber. Oh,
Ay, hindi gumagana.
Di ba sa Trident eh?
Yeah. It can break shields. Ito meron pa pala dito eh. Come here, baby boy. Oh, zombie! Oh, wait. It's not a zombie, it's a husk. Oh, ito! Breeze! Breeze! Breezes! Yo, come here, baby boy. I need you.
Wow, I'm healing right now. You want? Nakuha ka ng mace?
No, I don't. The breezes are here.
Oh, breeze.
Breeze, run, let's go.
Well.
Yo, why are we drowning?
I got 2 breeze runs. Malala ba yung damage nila? Di ba one charge lang naman yung kailangan na?
Yeah, bro. It's been charge only. Wait.
Bro, what is this water body? Pwede ko alisin yung tubig lang?
Sige, di naman sa akin eh. Nag-spawn lang siya.
Oh, yung child. Guys, hahanapin ko pa din yung ano nila.
Oo. Ito! Yo, what do you want from me, bro?
Tapos hahanapin ko pa din yung base nila.
Sige.
Oh yes. Look. So what is this?
Yo, I got bad omen.
Oh my days, they broke my... Oh my days.
Oh, I'll save you. Oh my days, never mind. I didn't.
I'm gonna counter straight real quick. Uy, may bagong bayo! Jungle bayo.
Wait. Saan na? Who needs rockets? Need not. Ayun naman kayo, ominous water.
But wait, it's not...
Yo, they got sword. We have to get food. Should have used my netherite armor.
My days lost.
Yo, why are they fighting each other?
Di ka... Ano, natamaan siya. Okay.
You won again? Yo, that kinda hurts.
I wasn't even that low.
Yo, I don't have food. Oh wait, I have cake. Gonna play some cake.
That's in my chest plate.
Nah, I'm full inventory.
What? Where did my chest plate go? That was enchanted. Not even by me. Can't get me, Kobe.
Yo, I think that's Can clone me. Yo, I don't have food, bro.
Pag lumakas sa sarado ko.
Just die, bro, please.
Dito po yung shield, oh.
Yo, how, what?
Lago nila, grabe. Sabi niyo. I found my chest plate, let's go. Okay,
Oh, get them breeze, bro.
trial key.
Eh, di siya trial key, di siya trial key. Ominous key yan.
Ominous trial key. Let's go.
Yung yan, we can get, ano, mace.
Okay.
Oh my days, bro. Yo, please mace. Na right click mo. Hindi, right click mo. Ano ginamit mo? Ominous trial key to?
Hindi. Ito. Ito. Nasa.
What? Dapat hindi.
Sa akin. What's dead? I think it's dead.
Dapat ginamit mo yung ominous trial key dun sa ano. Dun sa may yung gusto nakatago.
Meron pa ako sa tara.
Ominous?
Oh.
Go WW. Oh wait, just get this food. Yo, can you like get me some food?
I found the village.
I need food, buddy. Wait pa. Round 2. Round pa tayo.
Wait lang, Lance. Kunin muna natin yung ano. Yung nakatago. I don't remember where it is.
It's right down here, bro. Yo! Buddy! Second time! Wait. Oh?
Wait.
What?
May ba?
Eh, walang maze. Oh.
Sana po niyo. Kunin mo po.
Is that... Wait lang.
Ito siya, oh.
Wait lang. Maghanap lang ako ng ominous... Ay, ng trial key.
Kung kailangan mo ng ominous bottle, meron pa ako.
Meron din ako.
Lance,
Ah.
merong ano, yung spot sa ano, key chest.
Wala.
Paubos yun sa akin kung na mahanap yung mga to.
Pwede yan.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Wait, pwede ba mag-ominous bottle dito?
Saan?
Flower.
Oh, pwede nga.
Dito.
Pwede.
Pag ominous bottle sirain natin yung stairs kasi tama dito.
Uy, alaw na.
Alright. Wala pa nga eh. 1:30 pa lang eh.
Yung 1:30, hindi yung alaw, mas na nga.
Ay, 12:30 pa lang eh. Ito yung dito. Babalik ako sa taas ah.
Hintayin kita dito.
Hindi, wait lang. Uy! I got a music disc. Isa pang ominous bottle.
Meron ka bang isa?
I got arrows. Wait na to.
Last may rocket ka?
Wala. Ito. May isa pang raid.
Wait lang natin.
Yo, what's up, gang? We're up.
Last, di ba kulay blue yung sa'yo?
Ang kulay blue.
Yung ano mo? May malapit sa'yo.
C1 blue.
Ay, nasa set na GPA. Then, last mo yung dark na blue.
Hindi, ako yung purple.
Ano talaga yun?
Eh, baka iba kulay. Basta ako yung purple.
Ayun. Ano talaga sa malapit sa inyo?
Hindi talaga. Hindi, wala naman kami na base eh. Yo, I'm gonna die.
Bakit?
No, I don't, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna go to the other.
I'm just gonna run. Yo, and I don't have food, bro. Help you one.
Wait,
Yo, you want? Asan ka? Yo, help me. I'm gonna die. Purple. Pengi. Food. Oo. Yung pengi food. Dito sa taas. Dito taas na ito. I need food. Ang dami ah. Trust me bro, it's a lot. What's up? Get hit. Eh, wala pa mga total. I'm sorry, bro. Come here. Why the I'm still falling, bro? Talaga. Nah, I got there. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can't hit me. I bet you can't hit me. Okay. Yo, what the freak? Yo. I'm the saved. I saved you. I'm bored in a house and I'm in a house bored. Yo, what? How is this not done yet? Wind charge? Ay, wind charged. Ano yung ginagawa ng wind charge? I think it's done. What? Di ba tapos? Yo, it's done. It's done, bro. Oh, I can't even break it, bro. I don't know, bro. May narinig akong araw. Draper. Oh my days. What? Oh. Sabi ko si AC base ito. Ito si Evan. Ano si A? Umalis si Evan, diba? Wala na. Eh. Baka may igil. Aray! Oh. Ito yata may invisible skeleton. Wait lang, F3B.
With ata, sir?
I don't know.
Lumabas yung mga...
Ano to? Yo! Ano to? Yun, pas mo F. Yun, nawala siya. Ay, hindi. Yo, I swear. Yo, we should dip, bro. Yeah, we should dip.
Leave for a little bit. Hanggang mawala yung recharge. Tingnan mo kung...
Okay. Alis ka muna dyan yun. AFK muna ako. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. We're done doing that. We've been doing time for 20 minutes. Okay guys, goodbye.